whenever we go to people's houses for insurance losses, we do not give them an estimate on the front end. What we ask them to do is sign a contingency agreement with our company. That's a simple agreement, and all it states is we're going to do the work and pricing that the insurance company agrees for us to do at the pricing that they tell us to do it for. When we're sent out to the property on the front end as the insurance adjuster through preferred contractor programs, we also, expect people to sign our contingency agreement. And the reason is we're, finding all of this damage free of charge. We don't charge for any of the inspections. But once we do find something, if it exceeds the deductible, and if the person wants to go with us, then they can, sign an agreement with us that just simply states, hey, we're going to, replace or repair whatever's needed at the price that the insurance company says that to do it for. Everything is accounted for and then is replaced with something of like kind and quality, which is the same thing as saying that, a very similar material.